Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payouts from Google AdMob to your bank step by step clearly. To withdraw payouts from Google AdMob to your bank, first, sign in to your Google AdMob account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section on the left sidebar. In the Payments section, check your earnings to ensure you meet the minimum payout threshold. If your earnings are sufficient, click on the Manage Payment Methods option. Here, you can add a new bank account or select an existing one. To add a new bank account, click on Add Payment Method and select your country. Fill in the required bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to confirm that all details entered are accurate before proceeding. Once the bank account is added, return to the Payments section. Here, look for the Payout button, which is typically located next to your current balance. By clicking the Payout button, you can initiate a transfer to your linked bank account. Review the payout amount and any applicable fees. If everything looks correct, confirm the payout request. After your request is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email regarding the transaction. The payout process may take a few business days to complete. You can check the status of your payout in the Payments section. Once the funds are transferred, they will appear in your bank account as per your bank's processing time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.